facial cleansing instrument with air vacuum plus water vacuum plus hydrogen. Innovative technology. The production of hydrogen effectively inhibits skin oxidation, delays skin aging. Deep cleansing of pores through hydrogen, absorbing blackheads, removing acne, softening horns, and other functions. First, face cleansing. Remove the water cup and fill it with mineral water, maximum capacity 30 milliliters. Select a different section. Place the prepared instrument on the dedicated base. Take a nasal film with Blackhead export fluid close to both sides of the nose, about 8 minutes. Long press the power on key 3 seconds. The instrument into standby mode. Continue to press the power on key, the instrument into the working mode. 3 intensity gears. For choice, easy to handle with blackhead and acne, effectively removal results. Open the H2 key, the instrument into hydrogen self-made mode. Hydrogen can effectively isolate the skin and the air of oxygen oxidation so as to achieve the effect of delaying aging. Third comes from the deep pores. Effective cleaning of pores is the best protection for the skin. With a mask for essence so that the breathing pores enjoy absorbing long-lost nutrition. Ladies series, wine, red and rose pink. Men series, champagne gold and silver gray. Hydrogen, keep your skin healthy every day.